located in northwestern India. The Rand of royalty was ruled by Rajputs for a long time. Even today they are regarded in very high esteem. The royal Rajputs of Rajasthan were the descendants of Kshatriyas or warriors of Vedic India. One of the world's first and oldest civilization, the Indus Valley civilization was located in Rajasthan. Prime attraction of Rajasthan are its unique culture, Thar Desert, great forts, places, food, music, dance, temples and big fair and festivals. So let's watch the glimpse of our Rangilo Chabilo Rajasthan.
Khamagani. Rajasthan is an excellent tourist destination for its fort. Now you all will know about Jaisalmer Fort, Amber Fort, Hawa Mahal, Chittorgarh and City Palace by Arnab Bhardwaj, Arnab Kandwal, Dishank, Mayank and Shivansh.
My dear friends, my topic is Jaisalmer Fort. Jaisalmer Fort is locally known as Sonar Killa, is one of the greatest forts in the India which is located in the city of Jaisalmer. in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It is Jaisalmer Fort is second oldest fort in Rajasthan, built in 1156 AD by the Rajput Rawal Jaisal. The ruler from whom it derives its name and stood at the crossroads of important trade routes, including the ancient Silk Road.
Amer Fort is a fort which is located in Amer, Rajasthan in India. Amer is a town with the area of 4 square kilometers. The town Amer and Amer Fort were originally built by Raja Man Singh and additions were later made by Sawai Jai Singh. Located high on a hill, it is the principal tourist attraction in Jaipur. Amer Fort is known for its Arctic elements. With its large ramparts and series of gates and cobbled partings, the fort overlooks Mata Lake. Mughal architecture greatly influenced the architectural style of several buildings of the fort. It consists of the Diwani Khas, Sheesh Mahal and Sukh Niwas, where cool climate is artificially created.
The City Palace. The City Palace of Jaipur was established at the same time as the city of Jaipur by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, who moved his court to Jaipur from Amer in 1727. A portion of palace has been turned into a museum. The beautiful palace represents the rich culture of Jaipur, still holds on to. The entire palace has small palaces, well-maintained gardens, beautifully curved courtyards, open terraces and more. All this make the entire palace a remarkable structure left behind the history.
Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur. It was built by 1799. It was known as a palace of winds. Hawa Mahal built in Maharaja Pratap Singh. It is a great tourism place.
Khadi Khamma, Rajasthani cuisines. They are influenced by the lifestyle of its people and the availability of ingredients in this arid region. Scarcity of water and fresh green vegetables have all the effect on their cooking. This state grows maximum of red chilies, so it is very popular for its pickles and chutney. The yummy dishes of Rajasthan are dal bati churma, gatte ki sabzi, bhajre ki roti with rasam chutney and keer sangri. Now my friends Anant, Shrishti, Shalendar and Aishal will speak more about them.
दाल बाटी चूरमा एक राजस्थानी व्यंजन है। बाटी मोटे आटे से बनाया जाता है। चूरमा मीठे आटे से बनाया जाता है। एक धार्मिक अवसरों पर, विवाह, जन्मदिन आदि में बनाया जाता है। दाल बाटी चूरमा आमतौर पर दोपहर के भोजन में बनाया जाता है। अधिक घी डालकर इसका स्वाद बहुत बढ़ जाता है। चूरमा बाजरा या मक्के से मिलाकर बनाया जाता है। बाटी दाल में डुबाकर खाई जाती है। जो दाल चटपटी और मसालेदार होती है।
Gar sangri is the famous food of Rajasthan. It is the favorite dish of Rajasthan. Gar sangri is a vegetable preparation which is made using desert beans and capers. Difficult to Rajasthan, slow cooked with various local available species and lot of chilies. Gar sangri is best consumed with बाजरे की
खम्मा कड़ी ये है राजस्थान की सबसे मशहूर गट्टे की सब्जी।
Makke ki roti and lasan ki chutney is the famous cuisine of Rajasthan. It is mouth-watering and delicious dish. When we add white butter to it, it becomes more and more tasty. It is full of fiber. It is healthy also. It is made of corn flour.
India is a vast country with rich and varied cultural heritage. India is a land of festivals where people from different religions coexist harmoniously. One of the best famous state of India is Rajasthan, which is known as colorful state. Rajasthan is a cheerful state that celebrates its vibrant culture through array of fairs and festivals. These varieties of fairs and festivals fills the colors of joy all around. Out of all of such festivities, some of the major ones are Gangaur, Teej, Bogaji festival, and the most famous festival is Rajasthan Desert Festival. We will come to know about them by my friend.
Gaur festival is a festival mainly celebrated in Rajasthan. Gan means Lord Shiva and Gaur means Gauri Parvati. They are worshipped in this form.
The Desert Festival is celebrated to mark the honor of Lord Krishna's presence for the Yadav community to set up his kingdom on the Trikuta hills. Jaisalmer Desert Festival is celebrated on the month of February in the golden city of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer.
The Teej festival is an important festival for married women and much anticipated monsoon festival. It is widely celebrated in northwest India, particularly desert state of Rajasthan. On this occasion, women dress up with their finest red sari and jewelry. They also decorate their heads with henna.
लॉकडाउन के दौरान बच्चे अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लास कर रहे हैं। इसमें वे मोबाइल और लैपटॉप में इतने आदी हो गए हैं कि वे अपना वास्तविक ज्ञान पूरा भूल गए हैं। तो आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा शहर के एक रहने वाले परिवार के माता पिता ने अपने बच्चों को वास्तविक ज्ञान सिखाने का निश्चय किया। तो आइए दोस्तों देखते हैं राजस्थानी रामगढ़ वाले एक परिवार से।
आओ भाया, थारो हमारे देश में स्वागत है। पधारो भाया। बैठो भाभी साहब, सफर में कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं हुई? थारे टाबरिया तो बड़ी फूट रहे हैं। मिलिए हमारी टाबरिया से यशवर्धन और जयवर्धन। दो काका काकी नो।
धर्मपाल भाई, मैं बहुत परेशान हो चुका हूँ। बच्चों के रूटीन से लैपटॉप और मोबाइल को छोड़कर किसी और एक्टिविटी में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं दिखाती।
परेशान मत हो भाया, टावर अथे आयो है तो कुछ सीखे ही जाएगा।
भाभी जी, ये लहंगा तो बहुत सुंदर है। क्या आप लोग रोज यही पहनते हैं?
हाँ भाभी साहब, अठे का यही पहनावा है। लहंगा चुन्नी, अब बोलो, अठे की संस्कृति दर्शाएंगे। चलो भाया जी और भाभी साहब, आज सबके टाई दाल बाटी और चूरमा बनाई हूँ।
ऐसा लाजवाब खाना तो मैंने भी आज तक नहीं खाया।
आंटी, इस स्वादिष्ट खाने के सामने तो हमारा पिज्जा बर्गर भी फेल है।
हाँ दिशा, तो ठीक कह रही है। इस खाने के सामने हमारा पिज्जा बर्गर भी फेल है।
जयवर्धन, आप सिंगिंग बहुत अच्छी करते हैं।
पेंटिंग में हमारे राजस्थान की पूरी ये झलक मिलती है। ये काम हम लोगों का पैशन है। और तुम्हारा क्या फेवरेट है?
मेरा फेवरेट तो बोलते गेम खेलना ही है।
मैं अलग अलग वीडियो देखती हूँ मोबाइल पर।
अरे क्या तुम सिर्फ अपना समय बर्बाद करते रहते हो?
ऐसी बात नहीं है कि हम मोबाइल फोन इस्तेमाल नहीं करते। हम ही लेते हैं जब हमें स्किल डेवलप के लिए यूज करते हैं।
आज से मैं फोन पर अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूँगा और मैं पेंटिंग बनाना सीखूंगा।
हाँ भैया, और मैं भी मोबाइल पे अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूँगी। मैं भी सिंगिंग करना सीखूंगी।
भाभी साहब,
अगर आप बच्चों को छोटे छोटे कामों में उलझा के रखेंगे, जैसे पेंटिंग, डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, तो उनको मोबाइल देखने का समय ही नहीं मिलेगा। और अपने साथ बच्चों को अपने घर के कामों में भी मदद।
Among famous Rajasthani folk music, Panihari and Mand are the best. Mand is the most difficult style of folk music and has come a long way from time. The celebration of changing seasons is also very central for folk music.
There are so many different types of folk dances in Rajasthan, like Kalbelia dance, Katputli dance, Tera Tali dance, Ghumar dance and Kachi Ghori dance. Number 1 is Kalbelia dance. Kalbelia dance is folk dance of Rajasthan state in India. It is known as Sapera dance. Second is Katputli dance. Katputli dance is a world famous dance known as puppetry dance. Third is Tera Tali dance. In Tera Tali dance is performed by Kamar tribes. It is an elaborate ritual with many different types of dances. Fourth is Ghumar dance. Ghumar dance is traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. It was Bhil tribe who performed it to goddess Saraswati. Fifth is Kachi Ghori dance. Kachi Ghori also spelled like Kanchi Ghori or Kachi Ghori. It is an Indian folk dance that organized in Shekhawati.
सपना जाओ जी, मन जीत कराओ जी, अरे क्यों तरसावे हो, मन शकल दिखाओ जी, हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो रही, हर सने उन बंगाली में कहने लगे, मैं जीवन में जागी तो कहीं है चंदा में सारी चांदनी पर सामने में था ये कुसीरे जीवन में जागी तो कहीं है चंदा में सारी चांदनी पर सामने में था ये कुसीरे
Indeed, it was a great performance. Rajasthan is no doubt a rangilo and chabilo, the peculiar old world charm, the feeling of absolute royalness, the exquisiteness of the architecture are the things you will experience while in Rajasthan. But are these the only thing Rajasthan is known for? Oh, I am not talking about hippie vibes in Pushkar and stunning landscapes of Jodhpur. Those are pretty common things to know. Rajasthan is often known as the most color coordinated state. The popular cities of Rajasthan are devoted to the separate colors. Jaipur is pink, Jodhpur is blue, Udaipur is white, and Jhalawar is purple. One of the most beautiful things you will witness in Rajasthan is the swift change in the color of sky and terrain. Well, it is a sight that is hard to see anywhere else.